Cats are fascinating animals that many people love to have as pets. They are known for their soft fur, sharp claws, and playful behavior. Cats come in various colors and patterns, such as tabby, calico, and tuxedo. One of the things that make cats unique is their independence. Unlike dogs, which often rely on their owners for constant attention and care, cats are more self-sufficient. They can groom themselves, use a litter box for their bathroom needs, and even entertain themselves with toys. Cats are also known for their agility and hunting instincts. They are excellent climbers and jumpers, able to navigate narrow spaces with ease. Their keen senses of hearing and smell make them efficient hunters, especially when it comes to catching small prey like mice or insects. When it comes to communication, cats have various ways of expressing themselves. They use body language, such as tail movements and ear positions, to convey their emotions. They also vocalize through meows, purrs, hisses, and chirps to communicate with humans and other animals. Caring for a cat involves providing them with food, water, shelter, and regular vet checkups. It's essential to create a safe and stimulating environment for them to thrive in. Cats also benefit from social interaction and playtime, which helps keep them mentally and physically healthy. Overall, cats make wonderful companions and bring joy to many households with their playful antics and affectionate nature.